video, I will be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, I know this phone has been out for some months now, but to be honest, my husband and I, we did not plan on getting an upgrade. But long story short, we ended up getting one anyway. And so I'm here today with the unboxing. I decided to do the unboxing because I personally felt like there would still be persons out there maybe thinking of getting an upgrade or probably thinking of switching from an iPhone to an Android. And to be honest, if that was the case, I would not blame you, because personally I feel like when it comes down to picture quality and video quality, Android is unmatched. I've been using Android for many years now, and to be honest, I would not trade it for a thing. I have seen the iPhone in action, I have seen the Android in action, and I personally feel like the Android takes the win all the time. I mean, you may disagree with me, but that's okay. Or you just might be watching this video because you're curious. But whatever the reason is, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. And without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. Before I go, I'll probably be comparing this phone with the S10 Plus, since that's the phone I have been using to film and edit all my videos. That's the phone I'm using right now. So I'll just compare both of them to see the difference. So if you want to see that, stick around. So this is the box that it comes in. It does come sealed, as you can see right here and here. So I'm just gonna snip this part open. We're gonna take our phone out, and this is what it is looking like. This is the cover, and I'm seeing something in here. This is a little compartment. It does have a key that opens the part with the SIM. So inside we just have some papers. This device is packaged with a screen protector. That's all that comes in this little thingy right here. So we're gonna put that to the side, and this is our phone. It is in a gray color. This is the color that I picked because I've been loving grays recently. As you can see, it does have the camera section here. From my observation, I can see that the camera definitely has a bulge, so it's not completely flushed with the back. I am gonna turn it on now, and as that boots up, let's just see what else we have in here. So I'm seeing a charger. I'm guessing it has the attachment for it. So yeah, this looks like the attachment for the charger. It is a little bit different from the one that I have for the S10 Plus. It has two similar looking ends. I'm guessing this one you put in here and you charge your phone with this one. For my old phone, this part is more of a USB adapter. Now also, this I'm guessing is the headphone, and for some reason these headphones come with this thing at the end. This is the attachment that it has. This is the same attachment that is on the charger. So I'm guessing whenever you're using your headphones, you won't be able to charge your phone. That's new. The old phone, or the S10 Plus, had the headphone jack. This one does not have a headphone jack. That's the speaker. This is the area that you charge it with. There's no buttons on this side. That's different too. This one is the power button and this one is the volume button. And we also have extra studs for our earphones. So far, I'm liking the design of this phone. This one here is the S10 Plus, and as you can see, the S20 Plus is a little bit bigger. We have had these phones for, because this is my husband's phone, because I'm using my S10 Plus to film. We've had these phones for almost 2 years, and they have been in excellent condition because we do get heavy duty cases for our phone. I went ahead and I got one for this phone. It looks like this. It's not as heavy duty as the one I have on my S10 Plus, but I'm thinking it will get the job done. I got this on Amazon, and I will link it in the description if it's something you're interested in purchasing. I think I paid probably $6 something or $7 something for this one. I will include a few specs on screen so you can see the difference between both phones, but right off the bat I can say that both of them are 128GB in terms of storage, but of course the camera quality in the S20 Plus is definitely more improved than the one in the S10 Plus. I'm gonna go ahead and set up this phone. So this is pretty much it with the setup completed. That's pretty much it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you to decide whether or not you wanted to get the S20 Plus. If you like this video, hit the like button, and without further ado, I will see you guys in my next one.